Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a keyboard missing in device manager and or a keyboard not showing in device manager. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find out a keyboard and run the keyboard. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that on the start menu, right click and go to your device manager. After that, click on a desktop computer name, click on a action and scan hard drive changes. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that on the start menu, right click, go to your device manager, click on view and click on show hidden devices. After that, now you can see that. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on a scroll down, click on a recovery, click on reset this PC, click on keep my file, click next to continue. Now after completing that, reset it. When you reset it, your computer automatically restart and it's reset automatically, and after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.